Alright, how's it going everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a front splitter on my 2012 Subaru WRX. I got this off Amazon because I'm cheap, but it should go pretty well. It is a 3-piece splitter. So I'm going to show you guys a couple tips and tricks on how to make your installation go well. So first step is going to be jack up the car, put the chock blocks in behind the back wheels, and put your T-stands underneath the proper location in your car. Now that we have the car up, we're going to clean off the underneath of the bumper just to make sure that the splitter has a good clean mating surface so it sits nice and level. Alright, so as I've said before, these are the 3 pieces: center, passenger, and driver. It's gonna go like that. The kit came with these self-tapping screws, and they're all right, but they're not the best. So what I went and did is picked up some 3M tape and some nuts, bolts, and washers. Basically, we're going to use the nuts, bolts, washers, and 3M tape to help us, but we're still going to use these screws. This is the piece that goes on the passenger side, and here's where it's important to do some of your research to make sure that this will fit. Some kits say they fit everything and you have to do a bit of modifying to make it fit, but this one was for my generation. So you see it has this odd shape that will fit up to the car just like that, and you can see that fits really nicely. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is take some of the 3M tape and put it in the direct center, and again right here and on the other side, so that way I can put it up onto the car and it'll hold itself there while I put in the rest of the screws. Alright, now you just remove the double-sided part. Alright, so the kit includes 2 different sizes of screw. You're going to use the smaller ones for this first step I'm going to show you. So where the 2 pieces meet together like that, you're going to take one of the smaller screws and screw your pieces together.
Filming right now?
Yes. None of what you do is going to make it in the video.
Hello. You should put that in.
Maybe that. Okay, so actually it's best if you put on a corner piece first. So get this lined up. Next, you're going to want to get a drill bit that is roughly the same size as the screw minus the threads. So see if I hold it behind there, it's basically just a thread sticking out, and we're going to go drill some holes. Okay, so this is going to be kind of difficult to show you because it's kind of dark, but I got a flashlight, that should help. So here's the hole right there. Take your drill. Easy as that. Now, take your other drill and put the screw through. Just like that, and now we have to do it for a few more. Now for this one right here is where I'm going to use the bolts that I was talking about. So I've upgraded to a bigger drill bit and I'm going to drill it out, put a washer on, put it through, put another washer on, and put the nut on the other side. All right, now it's when you take the middle part and pop it up into place. All right, now that it's all done, the only thing left to do is set her back down on the ground.